In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-factor authentication, or 2FA, for your Microsoft Teams account. Ensuring your accounts are secure is crucial, and 2FA provides an additional layer of protection by requiring not just your password, but also a second form of verification. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can enhance your account security without a hitch. To begin, you need to visit the Microsoft Account Security page. Simply open your web browser and type in account.microsoft.com. This page is the gateway to managing all aspects of your Microsoft account, including security settings, which we'll be focusing on today. Once you're on the page, you'll want to sign in. Make sure to use the same Microsoft account that's linked to your Teams account. This is important because the security settings we're about to adjust need to correspond with the account you're using for Teams. After logging in, navigate over to the Security section. This is where all your account's security settings are housed, and it's where we can begin the process of setting up two-factor authentication. Next, you'll need to access the 2FA settings. Start by clicking on Manage How I Sign In to Microsoft. This option allows you to customize how you log into your account, including managing passwords and multi-factor authentication settings. As you look to the top right corner of the page, you'll find the two-step verification option. This is where you can manage the settings needed for 2FA, giving your account that much needed added protection. Go ahead and click on Manage to proceed. Now, it's time to change your 2FA method. Microsoft provides you with a series of prompts to guide you through the setup process. These instructions are designed to be user-friendly and ensure that you can easily navigate through the setup without any confusion. You might be asked to select your preferred method for the second layer of verification, such as a phone call, text message, or an authenticator app. Choose the option that best suits your needs and follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the setup. And that's it. By now, you should have successfully set up two-factor authentication on your Microsoft Teams account. With this additional security layer, you've significantly reduced the risk of unauthorized access and better protected your account from potential threats. Remember that these small steps toward enhancing your digital security can make a big difference. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Stay safe and secure online.